Welcome to How to Be Psychic. I am so excited that you are joining me on this magical adventure to learn how to be more intuitive and become so psychic that you can easily read for yourself and others. As I mentioned before, this is a very safe and gentle process which will open you up to a wealth of possibilities in your personal life, your career, your relationships, and it will even teach you how to become a professional psychic. If you follow the exercises, tips and techniques that I use in my own psychic readings, even the most nervous beginning psychic will feel confident enough to read for someone else by the end of this course. In part 1, you will learn all the key terms we will be using throughout the course. You'll also learn about the different types of psychic gifts there are and which psychic gifts that you possess. In part 2, you will learn how to enhance your own psychic gifts and how to give ethical readings and how to protect yourself while giving readings. In part 3, I'm going to introduce you to the angels. No challenge is ever too great with the angels by your side, and you are going to learn all about which angels and guides can help you in your career, your love life, your health, and to improve your psychic development. In part 4, you will explore various tools you can use which will improve your psychic abilities. This includes crystals, oracle cards, chakra healing, and oils and incense. This section is designed to give you plenty of options for setting the scene for your psychic readings and building a connection with your guides and angels. In part 5, you will have the very great pleasure of meeting your own guardian angel. This is a life-changing experience in which you will connect to the very angel who has been assigned to protect you and watch over you in this lifetime, and you can ask them any questions that you need urgently answered. This gentle guided meditation is the same process I have been using for over 10 years to connect with my own guardians and to find peaceful solutions to my problems. In part 6, you will learn all about card readings, how to give a card reading for yourself, and how to give a card reading for others. You will also have the opportunity to learn from 7 different types of reading sessions in which you will learn how to ask the cards about finances, career, investments, love life, and general prophecies for the year. In part 7, you will have the chance to learn how to channel angel messages for someone else. Using the tips and techniques that I use in my own readings and healing sessions, you'll be able to connect with someone else's guides and angels and pass on spirit messages for them. Again, this is a very gentle process which you can use time and again to do a reading on someone else. In part 8, you will learn all about mediumship and how to tap into your mediumship skills, how to read safely as a medium, and how to use mediumship to improve your career, love life, and finances. In part 9, you will explore different ways to make money as a psychic and build extra income being a reader. This includes various strategies that I have used to build up my own business and become a professional psychic that you can also easily use. And in part 10, you will receive a series of daily practical exercises which you can use to continually improve your psychic skills and expand your talents to become even more intuitive. As there is a wealth of information in this course, I'll be including PDFs with each section, which you can take away and read at your leisure to help you become more profoundly psychic. You will find as you progress through the exercises and guided meditations that you become more and more psychically open. So I've set up a Facebook page where you can connect with other beginning psychics and exchange readings to build up your confidence and chart your own progress. I will be available once a week to answer any questions you have at all about the course, so please don't hesitate to ask. I know you are going to get a lot out of this course, learning how to tap into your own intuitive gifts. Enjoy.